Hi there, students. To retort, retort. A retort as well as a noun. Okay, to retort is to answer somebody back, to answer quickly in either an angry way or a funny way. That's none of your business, she retorted. Yeah, to retort, to answer back, a rejoinder. Yeah. Okay, a quick answer that can be also, it can be funny. Yeah. So if you're very witty, then you always think of good retorts. Yeah, good things to reply back. So yeah, he retorted with a joke. He retorted very angrily. Okay, so this is the idea of to retort, to reply, especially something quick, but and then something either caustic or something funny. Yeah, to retort, to give a counter argument, to argue against it, to make a reply, particularly very quickly. Notice as well, you can have a retort. So his retort was very funny. His retort was very angry. But you can actually also have a retort with a completely different meaning. In chemistry, it's normally a piece of glassware, some sort of container used for distillation, used for heating things with a Bunsen burner. But I think that's by the by. I think that's aside, yeah, because that's very technical. But a retort, a quick, witty answer, yeah. You, are you sure you want to do that? Yes, he retorted angrily. Yeah. Okay, to retort, to answer back. Yeah, I'm trying to think of a funny retort, but I can't. A witty reply. I think Winston Churchill is known for his witty retorts, his funny retorts. Yeah, a retort is an argument against the person who has said something. If you've got a group of friends talking, yeah, they are bantering, and maybe one is insulting the other and the other retorts with another insult. Yeah, and this is very common. Yeah. So to retort, to effectively to answer back. Like a rejoinder as well. Yeah. Let's see some more synonyms. To answer back, to retort, to rejoinder, to riposte, to counter. Yeah, to rejoin, to reply, to respond. Yeah, to counter as well, to strike back. Okay, so this is the idea of retort. Yeah, I said to her that she was too old to do this, and she retorted to me that I actually wasn't very young myself. Okay, so to reply. Formality, to retort. Sounds a little bit literary. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I'm not sure I would use it in an informal conversation. I just use the verb to reply. I think in a semi-formal conversation, I would use it in a semi-formal writing or an essay where people are talking. It's a good substitute for to reply or to answer back. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin retortus, yeah, which comes from retorcere, to be forced back or to twist back. Re, back or again, and torcere, to twist. So you twist something back, you bend it back, and that's the idea. It comes back. Okay, so to retort, to reply. Age before beauty. So he said, well, you better go first then. Okay, so to retort, to answer back. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Retort, to retort.